Hello everyone. Um, I've just started this stream for the first time. Um, I had an idea recently. I decided that I want to try another programming language, another than like C++. Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Dima. Uh, I'm I'm a game developer, and um, yeah, I've started to start to learn how to make games like 10 years ago. Uh, like I would say that I did not achieve anything great throughout all that time. Um, but yeah, I'm just happy with that. I love what I'm doing. I enjoy programming. I enjoy um, uh, learning how everything works under the hood, how to code at the low level, some, I don't know, some systems like, I don't know, I like animation quite a lot, skeletal animations, like animation systems. I like programming graphics. That's what I've been interested in quite a lot. Uh, and And yeah, I've been doing quite a lot of Unreal Engine programming. Um, I've been working as Unreal Engine developer. Uh, with with that being said, I've already mentioned that I want to try something new, and I thought of the recently I've been exploring some languages. For example, I've been trying Rust. I didn't like it. Oh no, actually I liked it, but I didn't like the borrow checker from it. Uh, also I did not like that it was compiling uh, quite slowly. And I don't know why I forgot about the existence of one of uh, the languages that uh, to be honest, I've been never like interested in this Odin language, but I heard about it quite a few times. Actually, I've heard about the guy who made this language, Ginger Bill. Uh, actually, 10 years ago when I just started like learning how to make games. Um, I his tutorials were one of the first which like I started to follow. He had a series which he hidden later about C++ development and OpenGL. Um, but yeah, then later he decided to make his own programming language. There is one programming language that um, that I look forward to is Jai programming language developed by Jonathan Blow, but it is still not out yet. And the Odin language seems quite interesting to me, just because it is written here that it is an alternative to C, and they also mention for the joy of programming. I I really look forward to it because when I code in C++, I do not feel joy, to be honest. Um, yeah, I do not know. I know like almost nothing about this language, so maybe in this video, on this stream, we will try to learn it quite a bit, um, just a bit. And also, one of the things that I would want to try is to use the RayLib library, um, just because I've never used it, uh, and from what I can say, it is quite popular, I think, and people like it. I've heard about this. Yeah, so we will try. Maybe it's really that good. I've used SDL quite a lot in my previously in my past, but yeah, I just want to try something new. And also, if I will have an opportunity, I would want to try to use Vulkan instead of OpenGL, because I've been always using OpenGL. Um, with that being said, guys, let's start. I don't know if it makes any sense to see the overview of the language. Maybe I should install it first and somehow create a simple hello world program. I guess in Odin it is not hello world but hello. Yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, let's try. Maybe we should press this download button and see what we are required of doing. Um, there are three main ways of getting Odin official releases for downloading the latest monthly or nightly release. From source. Building from source, very easy to do. For an overview of package managers that package Odin. The compiler currently supports compiling on Windows. Okay, official releases. Download the latest monthly or nightly release and look over the release requirements below. Release requirements. Oh, wait a second. I will open the chat and I will see, just in case, I will see what you will be typing. Okay. Odin needs the MSVC compiler and Windows SDK from the desktop development with C++ component. If you don't have this already, you can download the installer here. Make sure at least click on desktop. I think I should have this. I think I will have this one. Optionally add the Odin compiler directly to the path environment variable, so Odin exe is accessible everywhere on your computer. Okay, let's just download this. Windows. Okay. Extract all. Extract. Okay. Let's wait just a bit. Okay, I think I've just installed it. I will place it. I will rename this folder to something like Odin Lang, and I will put it right here. Why not? Okay, and they've mentioned that I can optionally put it to the path variable. Why not? Let's do it. Show more options. Properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. to the path variable. Okay, I think that is my path. New, and I need to copy it. 1 second, please. 1 second. C, Odin length, something like that. Okay, let's put it right here, and let's put it into the system variables as well. Where is the path here? Here it is. Okay. I just hope that I've saved my changes. Please tell me that I did. Yes. Okay. Nice. The next thing. Release requirements. I think we've just did this. Package managers. Repository maintains a list of package managers and their status. Note that these packages are configured by third parties and may be flawed. Please direct support to the maintainers. I do not understand this. I'm sorry. I do not understand this at all. I think this is if I decide to compile from source. I think the good things if the positive side of if I decide to compile from source is that I will be able to like update the language more quickly by just I don't know, pulling changes from Git and just running the build.bat batch file. Maybe we should do this. I think that sounds great. Where is the source? From source. Where's the GitHub page? Okay, 1 second. Odin language, GitHub page. Okay. Okay, 1 second. I just need to copy it and okay, I will do it like this. Git clone. Yeah, I think that it will be better if they make changes to the language. I will be able to like super quickly update it and not worry about going and finding the release. I think it is very convenient. Okay, Odin. Here's the folder. Okay. How did they want me to build this? They say that I can check out to the official releases, not the development releases. Okay, I do not know only how to list all the branches. Git list branches. Cmd. How do I list? Git branch -r. Okay. Oh my god, how many branches? 1 second, I do not understand. Git checkout dev. I do not see any dev branches here. Okay, never mind. I will just compile. I will just compile. Build.bat release. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay. Nice, nice. Very good job. Very good job. The only thing that is left is, I believe, to rename the folder. It's opened in another program. Try again, please. Yeah. Okay, nice. Okay, good job. 1 second. Let's go forward. Throughout the step 2 of installing, open up the develop prompt, navigate to Odin folder, optionally git pull. Yeah, as I've told, I will be able to use git pull and just rebuild the language. Okay. Very good. That's it? I've installed Odin or what? Okay, now let's try writing the first program. Package main, import core fmt, main procedure without parameters. Okay, fmt println hello. Yeah, hello. Okay. Maybe I will create a new project. I don't know. I will create a new folder. Odin projects. Okay. I wonder why none of the code completion works, because the only thing that I did before the stream is that I've downloaded the extension for the Odin language. Completion, signature help, syntax highlighting, and many other useful features. Maybe I need to restart the Visual Studio Code. I don't know. Let's try. Let's try. No, I have no completion. I need to figure this out somehow, I believe. Okay. Or maybe let's Google it. Setting up Odin language with Visual Studio Code. Okay. Here are just a few tips, I believe. What they want is that okay, let's just download the second extension that they want, Odin. You don't need the second extension. Also make sure to have an OAS JSON at the root of your project folder. One second. D, dev, Odin projects, ABC. Oh, not properties, show more options. Open with Visual Studio Code. Yes. Yes, I trust. Do you wish to create one? Yes, I want. Nice. Oh yeah, it does the code completion. Nice, nice, very good. Here are all the libraries. Oh my god, this is nice. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Very good. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. How do I... there is no debugging, but how do I build this? How do I build the program? How do I build the program? Okay, 1 second. Save this code to .odin file, then compile and run using Odin run for the current directory. Okay. The run command compiles the Odin file to an executable, and then runs that executable after compilation. If you do not wish to run the executable after compilation, the build command can be used. Okay. What is the shortcut for opening the terminal? How do I open the terminal? Actually, terminal control backslash. Oh, not the slash, back quote. Odin run dot. Why? Why? Ah, there is a single colon. There should be a single colon. Okay. Let's try one more time. Nice. Yeah, the first program in Odin. Yeah. Let's go. The first program in Odin. Nice. Let's try maybe building. No. Let's see what it says. Build. I think I know why it didn't want build. It is because I didn't provide it with a dot. Odin thinks in terms of directory-based projects. To tell it to treat a single file as a standalone package. Add minus file, like so. Okay. Okay. How do I close the editor? Not the editor. Okay, 1 second. Odin run main.odin minus file. Okay. Okay. Good to know. Lexical elements and literals. Oh, I believe this would be a huge tutorial. Maybe let's do quite a few basic things. Learning a new language for me is not like the common thing. I I literally know like C++, C Sharp, C, Python, and yeah, that's it. I do not know that many languages, so okay, 1 second. Here's a comment. It's like multi-line comments, just like in C. That is nice. Okay. String and character literals. New line character. Raw string literals are enclosed in single backticks. What does it mean, raw string literals? Raw string literals. I do not understand. String literals are enclosed in double quotes and character literals in single quotes. Special characters are escaped with a backslash. Okay. Um, okay. Never mind. Numbers. A float literal, but it can be represented by an integer without precision. Without precision loss. I wonder what will happen if I do the following thing. This is how we declare a variable. How do I print the variable, though? Format. Tink. Format. How do I format a string? How do I print out the string? How do I output an integer or something like this? I do not understand yet. Let's try maybe the obvious thing. fmt print ln hello. Maybe something like this, like in Rust. X. Oh. No, it didn't output for some reason. I did something wrong, I believe. Ah, 1 second. I've just resaved. Aha, it will be an error. Truncated to int, okay. But if I do it this way, it will be okay, right? Oh, yeah, it does output the variable, which is nice. Am I correct? It will work like this. Oh, yeah. No, it doesn't work. Print ln. Oh my god, this should be a very basic thing. I just do not know how it is done in this language yet. I do not understand. I want to know this, but I do not know. I do not understand how this is done. Aha! Just like in C. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, okay, 1 second. percent D percent F. Let's try this. No. Why? Why? Um, one second. Yeah, I just use, I've used not the format type, like type of function. Okay, I think now it will work. I really like that the iteration is really fast. Like I can build very quickly. This is nice. This will not work. Missing. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I just thought it will work, but it's more like C, which is also nice, by the way. Which is also nice. Okay. Very good, nice. Okay, I do not think that... Okay, once we start learning how to integrate the RayLib or something like this, I think we will come to a situation where we have to learn more and more features. I do think that this... I do think that this will be stupid to go through all of this theory. I think we need to start implementing something and then learn along the way, so to speak. I think that will be a good idea. Okay, but how do we enable the RayLib? I do not know how to use it at all. I've never used it. Yeah, Odin RayLib. Odin packages. Maybe we can import something. Vendor. Oh, we can import RayLib, which is very nice, by the way. I do not know if I'm doing everything correctly. But yeah, we do not need this page. Here's my cat. She came to me and she started to clean herself right in front of the camera. I think you didn't see it, by the way. But anyway. Let's maybe try to do something with the string s. What is the type of the string? I do not understand. How do I declare a string? I just want to quickly go through all of this. We declare a variable like this. Redeclaration of x in this scope. We can assign to multiple variables, and which I think is very nice. We can do it like this. For example, x, y equal to 2030. I like this syntax. I like this thing. Declares x to have the type int. Declares y and z to have type int. Okay, whenever we want to declare something, right, we use this colon thing. Whenever we try to assign, we use colon and equal sign, right? Okay, I didn't save. Okay, this is also integer. Okay, very nice. Assignment statements. This is the declaration and the assignment. This is only assignment. Constant declaration. Constant declaration. If we want to declare a constant, we do it like with 2 colons. Like this. Very nice. Oh, this is interesting. It means that instead of equal, we use the second colon. And if we want to specify a type as well, like int, integer, we do not print equal, we print colon. This is interesting. Okay. Oh my god, what have I done? Okay. Constant computations are possible. Constant can be explicitly typed like a variable declaration. For more information regarding value declaration in general, please see Odin frequently asked questions. Okay, maybe I will read it someday. Okay. Those are the basics, like packages. Odin programs consist of packages. A package is a directory of Odin code files, all of which have the same package declaration at the top. Execution starts in the package's main procedure. Okay. The phone program imports the FMT and OS packages from the core library collection. The core prefix is used to state where the import is meant to look. This is called library collection. If no prefix is present, the import will look relative to the current file. Okay, this makes sense. If I do not provide it with the library collection, it will look just where my file is located. Okay. Oh, sheesh. Okay. A different import name can be used over the default package name. Aha. Okay, so if I do it like this. Yeah, it's just a way to change the name of the package to not to have the name conflicts. Okay. All declarations in a package are public by default. The private attribute can be applied to an entity to prevent it from being exported from a package. Okay, I see. It's just like static. It is just like static in C++. You may also make an entity private to the file instead of the package. It makes sense. It makes sense. Okay. Let's try doing that. I can do it to the variables as well. Okay, it makes sense. For example, if I do something like some global variable int equal to 30. Okay. Private. Okay, everything compiles, everything runs, which is nice. Ой, котик. Луна, хороший котик. Ой, какая девочка. Yeah. Let's move forward. Author in a package. A package is a directory of hidden file which have the same package declaration at the top, organized in packages. Okay, never mind. This is a standard loop, just like in C or C++. For I less than 10, I fmt print ln I. Okay. I can also write it as this do and just put fmt print ln I. Right? This will work. Yeah, it does. Oh my god, this is nice. I just do not. I just need not to forget this thing. This makes sense. This loop, this loop. There's no while loop, if I understand correctly. The basic for loop, just like the one we've just written, can be also written the following way. Oh my god, I will like it. I will use it a lot. For I in 0, to 9. Nice. It runs. Oh my god. This is like, oh my god. No. Okay. Let's move on. Denotes the closed interval. Okay, and this is also, this is just the same thing, if I understand correctly. Yes. But if I say, tell it to do it like this, yeah, it counts to 10. Certain build types can be iterated over. Oh my god. Why I do not see? Here it is. When iterating a string, the characters will be runs and not what? I do not understand. The characters will be runs, runes, and not bytes. Or in assumes the string is encoded in SUTF-8. Okay. String type. I'm just interested how strings work. As previously mentioned, the Odin string type is just raw pointer plus length. The core strings library was created to help dealing with strings cloning, conversion of string to C string, and other calls behind in standard libraries. String iteration. Okay, I think it is something similar to Rust. For example, x equal to привет. I can iterate through all characters for code point index in X. Code point index in X. fmt println index code point. Okay. Weird. I do not understand. Does my Visual Studio does not support? Does my Visual Studio Code not support like Russian characters or what? Okay, never mind. Never mind. I'm just interested in one thing. If I do it the other way, if I do it something like this, x index in 0 to the length of x And if I do it Russian string, index x index, yeah, there are 12 characters because each Russian character is 2 bytes in UTF-8 encoding. This is like not good news for me because maybe maybe everything is not that bad, but the problem is how do you modify such a string? How do you replace a character in the middle of the string? This this is weird. Okay. String format printing. What is this? String format printing. Core FMT library supports printing strings from byte arrays. Instructs from byte arrays instruct. What does that mean? And additional tag information is supplied. This is too soon for me to read this. Maybe later I will be able to process that information. The C string type is a C style string value, which is 0 terminated. It is equivalent to const char in C. Its primary purpose is for easy interfacing with C. Please see the foreign system for more information. The C string is convertible to an Odin string. I'm just curious. X C string cannot index X of type C string. Why? Why I cannot do this? Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, index X index. I cannot do this. Or what? Why? I do not understand. I need to convert it or what? Yeah, I cannot index like C strings. I can only index strings, which is weird. Mm. UTF-8 import core where's the UTF-8 package? Okay, let's try to find it. Unicode, maybe? No. Import core encoding. Yeah, it is weird. Control F UTF-8, and that's it. How do I import this package? Man. And why does Unicode not do the problem? Import base built-in, no, intrinsics core FMT, no. Shared. No. Core UTF. Oh my god, why? Okay, 1 second. Odin language UTF-8 package. Unicode UTF-8. Unicode. Aha, here it is. Nice. Oh my god, I found it. The problem was that I didn't know how to navigate. Okay, let's see. UTF-8 string to runes. Runes, I think I understand what that means. Every character is a rune. It should be, at least. Okay. Okay. Overview. Where did I stop? Constants, import, loops. You can iterate arrays and slices by reference with address operation, which is very good. I will definitely need that. Map values can be iterated by reference. Oh, I do not know what map is at the moment. Okay, in this situation I believe we map the string to an int. Right. Okay, we can reverse iterate like this. Okay, it can be handy. Reverse. I will delete those. Ah, 1 second. There is no X. Okay. 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 This is not how it works. I can reverse iterate over array, but not over the range. If statement. Okay, if is very much the same as except one thing. For example, if we have some calculation, procedure, something like this. This doesn't work. Procedure, something like that. If we have something like that, we can later in the code when we call this function do it like this. X is some calculation, and then we can like put semicolon, and if x is less than 10, for example, right, we can fmt print ln hello. And I believe we should print hello now. Yes. Okay. This is very handy. Very handy. I do not need to write that on the separate line. The thing that matters here is only this one. Here can be anything. Okay. Switch statement. Okay. The switch, I think, works pretty much the same way as in C. Just like in if, we can separate the assignment and what we switch on in the same line. So that Odin runs the selected case. This means that break statement is not needed at the end of each case. Another important difference is that the case values need not be integers nor constants. To achieve a C-like fall through into the next case block, the keyword fall through can be used. Fall through. How do I see this fall through? He told that fall through can be used, but he never showed this. Okay. If all the case values are constants, the compiler may optimize the switch statement into a jump-like table, like C. Oh, this is nice. Okay. A switch statement without a condition is the same as switch true. If a switch statement can also use ranges like range-based for loop. Oh, interesting. Oh my god, this is very cool. Oh my god, this is nice. I'm just curious, what will happen if I, for example, x something like that, if x in no, it doesn't work. Unfortunately, I thought it will work. Okay. Switch x case a to z a to z 0 to 9. Okay. fmt println x is alphanumeric. Okay. Nothing is printed. This is because 5 is just a number, but this should work. Partial switch. Something very difficult for me at the moment. The defer statement. A defer statement defers the execution of a statement until the end of the scope it is in. The following will print for then 234. You can defer an entire block too. Oh, cool. This is something like the destructor, but you of course have to write it completely. Interesting. Okay. Okay. The defer construct in Odin differs from Go's defer. I don't care. When statement. The when statement is almost identical to an if statement, but with some differences. Each condition must be a constant expression, as a when statement is evaluated at compile time. The statements within a branch do not create a new scope. What? The compiler checks the semantics and code only for statements that belong to the first condition that is true. The compiler checks the semantics and code only for statements that belong to the first condition that is true. An initial statement is not allowed in a when statement. When statements are allowed at file scope. Okay. The when statement is very useful for writing platform-specific code. This is akin to the if construct in C preprocessor. However, in Odin, it is type checked. Okay. Oh. I can label a for loop, which is very interesting. For example, loop for I in 0 to 10 for true break loop. Interesting. This should work. Yeah, it works. Okay. Continue procedures. Procedures can take 0 or many parameters. I wonder what is result int. What is this? Multiple results. This is very nice. I like this. Named results. Return values in Odin may be named. If so, they are treated as variables. They are treated as variables defined at the top of the procedure, like input parameters. A return statement without argument returns the named return value. Ah, interesting. I do not need to define this variable inside the scope. Okay, okay, it is interesting. Let's try something. Test func is a procedure. Let's say value int, and let's say it will return x and y, where x is an integer and y is a string. Will it work this way? No, it does not work. I may be missing something. Positional arguments are not allowed after named arguments. Phew, sheesh. How do I... Okay, I guess it will have to be something like this. This is possible, but I cannot name. Okay. This is weird. Unlike other languages, Odin provides the ability to explicitly overload procedures. I do not understand what is going on here. Basic types. Okay, bool, b8, b16, b32, integers. Int i8, i16, i32. Okay. Or int floating point numbers. Oh my god, there is even 16-bit floating point number. Oh my god. Complex numbers even. Oh sheesh. What is this? X complex 32. X How do I use this? I do not know. Okay. Quaternion. There are quaternions as well. Hmm. Hmm. I wonder, what is quaternion 64? Like, if there are 4 floats, which every one of which is 4 bytes, it should be 128. Ah, okay. This is with half floats. Okay. Pointer, type ID, and any types. Okay. Type conversion. Type conversion. Okay. Unlike C, assignments between values of a different type require an explicit conversion. Okay. Transmute operator is a bit conversion between two types of the same size. Okay. Oh my god, sheesh, what is that? Autocast operation. Built-in constants, values, and procedures. Okay. Okay. Oh. I think that's enough for myself. Enough theory for me. I think yeah, that's enough. I just want to do something now. Let's maybe Google RayLib simple example. I just want some window on my screen, so that I know that I did not spend my time. I did not waste my time today. Packages. RayLib core example basic window. Okay, how do I use this? Import vendor RayLib. Okay. um, RayLib, something like init window. Oh, okay, super. Width, height. Oh my god, there is no documentation. What is going on, man? Let's say window width is a constant and is equal to this. Oh, I can create those variables like this, window height. Oh my god, this is so nice. Man. Window width, window height, title. My game. Let's say RayLib close window at the end. I like it. Pretty simple API. Pretty simple API. Let's say for not RayLib window should close. It works like this. I think yes. Say begin RayLib. Oh, maybe let's use it like this, like that. RL. Maybe we will be able. Oh, nice. This works. RL begin drawing. Holy sheesh. That works. RL and drawing. I do not need to put those brackets. Oh, semicolon. RayLib clear background. Oh my god, this is so simple. I just wonder how do I integrate my own graphic stuff into this. RayLib. How do I access? How do I access the enum? RL color. Okay. Okay. It is a constant, I believe. Okay. Ooh, sheesh. There it is. Ah, window height. Window height. Nice. There's a window. We can close it, and the program ends successfully. Man. I really wonder how do I put my own graphic stuff inside the RayLib application. Very fast compilation. I think I like this language. Oh, maybe. Wait a second. Ray. Okay, Ray White. RayLib. Draw text. Very good API. I like it. I really like it. Draw text. Hello world. This is my first RayLib app. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Position X, position. Font size. Color. RL color. Something like this. I hope it will please work. No, it does not work. How do I construct the object then? Construct. Constructor. Maybe make. I do not understand how this works. How do I construct a variable in this language? I believe there should be no constructors, but anyway, how do I construct the color for 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 it? Let's see. Text color RL color. One second. I do not see anything. Struct keyword. Oh my god. Where is this? Structs. Aha. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. If I want to construct, I should use such such brackets. Okay. Little bit bigger. Aha. That was the problem. Okay. RL color. Something like that. Okay, I see. Yeah, boy. RL. Okay. Nice. Okay. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. I will use light gray as in example. Mm. Okay, there it is. Here is our first RayLib application, which is like very nice. I'm really happy with that. Very easy to use API. Very easy to use. I think I will stop on that for today, because first I've learned how to use like a little bit of Odin language, and I've learned how to use the RayLib library, which is very nice. There's one thing I want to figure out. One second, RayLib init window width. It should be like this. I see. Okay. Window width, window height. Nice. Okay. I'm really happy with that, guys. For today, I think that's enough. I think also one of the things, one of the most important things for today is that I was brave enough to start the stream and to try a new language. I'm really happy with that. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you all very much. If you watch this video, no one been watching this video when I ran the stream. I can see it, like I believe I can see it on the indicator that I have above my okay. Okay, I will figure this out. Maybe someone's been watching the stream. The problem is that this Twitch or YouTube viewer counter is set up for another channel. Maybe. I will I will verify that. Anyway, even if someone's been watching, thank you very much, guys. I will try to stream every weekend, and yeah, we will try to make some game with this cool language. And yeah, I really can't wait to see what I will be able to do with it. It feels very good coding because the compilation is like very fast. Very fast compilation. Yeah, I think the language is also interesting ideas. I think much more interesting things waiting for us ahead. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching, guys, and goodbye. See you later.